Hi everyone, welcome here. I'm Audrey and this is the Lazy Ass channel. Since it's still the beginning of 2025, I wanted to share a quick video about my rental-friendly sewing stuff organization. I actually did this in last September, but I never got around to posting it, and I thought it could be the perfect sewing space refresh inspiration for your all's sewing spaces. So about the design. I wanted to create something like the popular pegboard hanger and thread storage situation I see on the wall of almost all YouTube sewing creators, and I wanted to do it on a budget and rental-friendly way. I love this arrangement because it's not only storage but a decorative display and a pop of color which was very much needed on the white walls of our tiny office. This dual aspect was honestly perfect for me because I'm so indecisive on decoration, hence why we don't have anything on the walls except for a clock I made from a thrifted wooden tray. These are the items I used for this DIY from IKEA, and they are listed in the description too. I have 3D printed hangers for the threads from a free model also linked below. If you live in a place where Etsy or Amazon or such delivers with a reasonable fee, you might be okay with ordering something pre-made, but 3D printing was a much better option for me. I had to shave a bit of the points where it catches into the pegboard, but overall it was a perfect fit. The first step was to determine the placement of the board and then stick on the bottom removable hangers. Then place the board on top of them and mark the holes where you want the top hangers to be. You can leave the bottom ones out if you want, but I wasn't sure 2 hangers would be enough to hold the weight of the board and everything on it. I positioned the board pretty high so my cats won't reach anything on it like scissors or the threads, which they love to eat for some reason. And now comes the fun part. This IKEA organization family has several options and I went for closed containers to minimize dust collection. These store my miscellaneous stuff like elastics, buttons and snaps, clips which I use when sewing bulky stuff. Then I also got the small hanger buttons for my scissors and rotary cutter and used the leftover one for my tape measure. Last came the 8 thread hangers and I could move my threads from this DIY storage unit to their beautiful new home. So this was my short sewing space organization video. If you have any tips or ideas, then share it in the comments. And if you found any useful info or a bit of inspiration in this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching this video until the very end, and I will see you next time. Bye!